Hello and welcome to the Gold and Silver Club Week Ahead Crypto Market Report, the non-members edition for the 19th to the 23rd of February 2018, presented by myself, Phil Carr, at the Gold and Silver Club. Today we will be analysing the latest developments in the cryptocurrency markets and discussing our outlook for the week ahead. The live session will be covering cryptocurrency insights, a snapshot of the latest developments, trade watch list with our trade idea of the week, and a review of our recent top trades using our exclusive research-driven strategies. Let me introduce you to the Gold and Silver Club. The Gold and Silver Club is regarded as the go-to authority on commodities trading, as internationally respected experts. Our analysis and our opinions on the metals, energy, agriculture and the cryptocurrency markets, they are routinely sought by major financial television channels and publications, which include Bloomberg, Reuters, CNBC, the Financial Times, the Wall Street Journal. Our team of experts has trained and mentored over 100,000 private traders from all over the world to increase their wealth and generate a substantial income through commodities using our exclusive research-driven strategies. For further information on the Gold and Silver Club and our expertise, please do visit www.thegoldensilverclub.com. Cryptocurrency insights, a snapshot of the latest developments. The crypto market recovery is looking stronger day by day. Prices have continued in a steady upward trend since plunging to their lowest level since November 2017, which presented the ultimate long-term buying opportunity. At the close of the week, the total value of cryptocurrencies was 471 billion, up 23% from 384 billion seen last Friday. Overall this month, market capitalization is up 39% from the February 6th low of 276 billion. Whilst the headlines may be dominated by Bitcoin's move back above $10,000 again, Bitcoin, the world's first cryptocurrency, isn't actually the biggest gainer this month. Altcoins have been on a tear, leading the cryptocurrency recovery. Litecoin in particular has had an impressive run, gaining 54% week on week. The cryptocurrency has appreciated by 112% from the February 6th low of $106.94, and it's currently leading the recovery. Not too far behind is Ripple, which has climbed 90% from the February 6th low of 58 cents and now ranks second on the list of biggest gainers among the top 10. Meanwhile, NEO has appreciated by 86.5% from the February 6th low of $64.88 to firmly position itself as the third biggest gainer this month. Trade watch list, our trade idea of the week. Today we'll have a look at several cryptocurrency markets. We'll go through our trade ideas. First of all, I want to bring your attention to Bitcoin Gold. Bitcoin Gold is currently trading at 134 US dollars, and it was just 1 month ago that Bitcoin Gold was trading above $430. Bitcoin Gold has been recovering over the last 2 weeks, very much like some of the major cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple. But with Bitcoin Gold here, the potential risk to reward is quite lucrative, given that the price is still consolidating around the 135 US dollar zone. Now, we have executed trades on this below $100 from the recent dip lower. What I will show you from a technical point of view is this V-shaped reversal recovery where we haven't actually broken above the neckline just yet, and I would suggest that a break back above $140 to $150 has a lot of clean air here, taking the price back towards 200 and 250 US dollars, which certainly from the current levels would represent a good swing trade opportunity. I do see more upside in Ripple. You can see where Ripple is currently consolidating at the moment, just below the $1.20 zone, and again we're forming a V-shaped reversal pattern with the neckline sitting at this level of resistance. So essentially, if we get a breakout above the neckline here, we should get a move back towards $1.75 and beyond that back towards $2. So I would absolutely watch Ripple here as well for a trade opportunity for a breakout. Right now Ripple is consolidating around $1.11, cents. Any moves back below $1, I would certainly consider as buying opportunities as well, and also a breakout above the neckline should lead to a significant gain higher here on Ripple as well, taking it back to the next major level of resistance around 175 to $2. Now moving over to Litecoin, this is a trade opportunity that we previously highlighted on our week ahead crypto report. Essentially, Litecoin has done exactly what we expected it to do, which was to hold support above the $100 level. This was a major level of resistance going back towards the end of November, beginning of December, where we essentially capitulated in price up to $370 until Charlie Lee, the founder of Litecoin, sold all of his Litecoin holdings, which helped with this big correction to the downside. But Litecoin has been tremendously oversold. The $100 level has held really well. We had a double bottom over mid-February here. This has been building a base, and over the past week we've seen a breakout on Litecoin and essentially a doubling of price from the lows here of $105, taking the price back above $200. Litecoin is also launching LitePay, which will enable merchants to be able to take payments with Litecoin, which is huge news for Litecoin and could see a lot more adoption of this cryptocurrency. The more a cryptocurrency is used, the more adoption it receives, the more the price will increase. So I would definitely keep an eye here on Litecoin. We've already got several long positions on this market, but essentially in terms of the next breakout level, I would be looking for a break back above the weekly highs here of $235. The next level of resistance overhead then resides at $265, and above that $300. And finally, although I see opportunities with Bitcoin and Ethereum at the moment, in terms of a risk to reward basis, I would definitely have a look at Bitcoin Cash here as well. Bitcoin Cash was trading above $4,000 by the end of December. In fact, at the low, Bitcoin Cash came back down to $745. Since that low has been put in, Bitcoin Cash has already increased by over 100%, but it's back within a consolidation zone here, where again we could see a more significant breakout. The previous breakout that we had with Bitcoin Cash in mid-December was as a result of Coinbase onboarding Bitcoin Cash. But very much like Ripple and Bitcoin Gold, we've also got a V-shaped reversal recovery here with a neckline at the moment which sits at approximately $1,500. If we break above that neckline and close above it, we could then start to see momentum pick up to the upside, taking the price back to $2,000 initially, but then I would be targeting the January swing highs here, which sit just under $3,000. So again, from a risk reward point of view for a swing trade, Bitcoin Cash is definitely worth having on your radar. Top trades of the week using our exclusive research-driven strategies. Our top trades over the last week have included Bitcoin, Ripple, Ethereum and Litecoin. So first of all, Bitcoin here has provided us with a perfect opportunity after the 6th of February low, where Bitcoin revisited below $6,000 very briefly. We then subsequently saw a capitulation move, which offered us a great opportunity just to take advantage of a day trade breakout here for 1,500 points profit. Ripple, as I've just mentioned in the analysis, gave us a fantastic opportunity to add to our position. Currently, our newly established Ripple position is up over 400 points in profit. Ethereum as well, over the last couple of weeks, has continued to build a base here after retesting $600, which was a very extremely oversold condition for Ethereum, came back into our buy zone, and we've essentially benefited with a swing trade, banking 200 points profit. And finally, of course, Litecoin here, which has more than doubled in price over the last week and a half, giving us a perfect opportunity to add to our Litecoin position, banking 110 points profit on our recent swing trade. Would you like to join an elite community of profitable traders? Get exclusive daily live trade ideas and analysis, accelerate your trading skills, and generate a consistent income. Whether you're a new trader or an experienced trader and you're looking to take your trading to that next level, the Private Members Live Trading Room is definitely for you. Private members get access to the following. You have access to our exclusive live trading room webinars. You can watch the Gold and Silver Club expert traders analyze the markets right in front of you, picking out the best trades, sharing our exact entry, exit, profit and stop loss targets on each position, as well as walk you through every actionable trading idea step by step, ready to implement for instant results. You receive real-time trade alerts delivered via email and SMS, where you get the exact buy and sell alerts along with suggested entry, exit, profit targets. All trade alerts are sent out in advance notice to make sure you have plenty of time to get into each trade at the best price for maximum profits. You also get exclusive access to our proprietary trading research to help you make smarter, well-informed trading decisions. Our unique insights and analysis ensures that you're well equipped with the most accurate technical and fundamental information you need to identify market trends early, predict future price movements, and act on every trading decision with confidence. The private members live trading room includes exclusive live trading room webinars with interactive Q&A, daily live actionable trade ideas shared with you ready to implement, real-time trade alerts delivered instantly via email and SMS, exact details of where we enter, where we exit and place a stop loss on each trade, access to our private members live trading room forum, ongoing support and mentoring to help you achieve long-term success, and exclusive access to our proprietary trading research and market intelligence to give you the ultimate edge in the markets. To get exclusive access to our private members live trading room, please go to www.jointhegoldensilverclub.com, complete the application form, and we will get in touch with you ASAP.